Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have Source Insight installed and your code at hand. Start immediately by adding the project folder. Once done, trigger a full index so symbols populate. This gives you instant cross-references. Make sure to set file type associations and include paths so parsing is accurate, otherwise symbols may be missing. You'll also configure symbol filters to reduce noise. These first steps create the navigable database Source Insight needs, and they cut straight to where you can search and jump in your code. Now you navigate. Press F12 to jump to a definition and Shift plus F12 to list references. This exposes how pieces connect. Use the symbol window and class browser to scan structure and expand call trees to trace execution paths. This saves time versus manual grepping. Pin important files and use bookmarks for quick returns. Create custom symbol filters to hide generated code or third-party libs. These practices keep you oriented and let you follow data flow and dependencies across large code bases efficiently. Finish by tailoring Source Insight to your workflow. Set shortcuts, tweak the layout, and save workspace presets so projects reopen exactly as you need. Export symbol lists or simple reports when documenting changes, and align file markers with your source control for context. If something breaks, commonly indexing errors, inspect parsing rules, verify include paths, and confirm folder permissions. Rerun a full rebuild after fixes. One troubleshooting tip. If symbols still miss, isolate a small folder and index it to pinpoint problematic files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.